Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TUSA Smart Air Compressor. This particular air compressor runs on DC 12 volt power, as you can see over here, and this is a tire inflator for primarily for your cars. From the image you can see this is what the air compressor looks like, and it runs on this cigarette lighter. This is a 12 volt cigarette lighter. Do we have any more information? Let's quickly take a look. Over here it says it's used for cars, used for airbeds, used for balls, and also can be used to inflate the tires of your bicycle should you have one. Some smart features are mentioned. For instance, it's easy to use, it's powerful, comes with auto shut off, has LED light, it's precise, and it's very compact. Alright, maximum work current is 10 amperes, line length is 3.5 meters, maximum pressure is 150 PSI, and airflow is 35 liters per minute. Do we have anything else? No, that's about it. I will open this and show you what's inside. Okay, right on the top we have a join TUSA VIP club offer. Basically, it's asking you to register into the company website. Next, let's see what else we have here. We have a user guide for the TUSA digital air compressor. There you go. Everything that you want to know you will find over here. Next, we have a packet that has 3 attachments and 2 extra fuses. Let me just show them to you. So these are 2 extra fuse for when a fuse burns out, you can replace it using these. And these 3 basically are attachments for the air hose. So different attachments will serve different kind of purpose. With one you'll be inflating balloons, with another you'll be inflating footballs, so on and so forth. I'm going to keep them over here. There's also this carry bag that comes with this particular box. There you go. This is a very nice touch. With this carry bag, you'll be able to carry all of these components around. You don't have to worry about a box like the one that it came in. And now let's take a look at the TUSA digital air compressor. There you go. This is what it looks like. It comes with this black and red color combination. It's made out of plastic. It's ABS plastic. It's solid plastic, by the way. This looks very tough and rugged. As you can see, there's a pretty large LCD display over here. There's written attention. Step 1, start engine, connect to power, connect to tire. Step 2, choose display unit and enter your desired pressure. Step 3, wait until it stops flashing. Step 4, turn on the power and wait for the auto shut off. Warning, don't use continuously for more than 7 to 10 minutes. Break for 10 minutes before reuse. There are some important guidelines that you should follow. This is the power on off button, and this is the button that you press for the LED light, which is right over here. You can see. Also, it's written over here TRI 26563. This is basically the model number for this air compressor. What else do we have? Before I come to this, let me show you this first. This is basically your air hose. There you go. This is the air hose. All the compressed air will come out of this nozzle right over here. All these attachments will go on top of this. And finally, we have the power cable. This is a 3.5 meter long power cable. This is also flat, by the way. It will be very difficult to tangle these up. And at the end of the power cable, we have a 12 volt cigarette lighter. So this basically tells you that this particular device is built for vehicle use only. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the TUSA Smart Air Compressor. Thank you for watching.